Here's a GRE arithmetic question. Let's take a look. Steve's property tax is $140 less than Patricia's property tax. If Steve's property tax is $1,960, then Steve's property tax is what percent less than Patricia's property tax to the nearest 0.1%? All right, so let's get a sense of our characters here. We have Steve with a property tax of $1,960 and Patricia, whose property tax is $140 greater than Steve's, right? We know that Steve is $140 less than $140 less than Patricia, so Patricia is $140 greater than Steve. So 1,960 plus 140, using our handy dandy calculator, comes out to 2,100. There we go. All right, now for the real question. Steve's property tax is what percent less than Patricia's property tax? So by what percent did we go down here? Well, percents on the GRE is a very, very important topic to know. So let's quickly review our percent change formula. The percent change from one number to another, in this case from Patricia to Steve, is going to be new minus old over old times 100. You might say, what do you mean by new and old? I'll explain that in just a second here. So in a percent change question, we're going from one number to another, right? The question's asking what percent less is Steve's salary than Patricia's? So we start at Patricia's, we go down to Steve. What percent have we decreased? And that means that Patricia is the old value, right? She's where we start, and Steve is the new value, where we end up, right? The percent discount. So let's plug in these numbers here. If Steve is the new value, this is going to be 1960 minus 2100 divided by 2100 times 100, of course, because we're dealing with percents. And when you do this, it comes out to negative 6.666 repeating, which if we round to the nearest 0.1% is 6.7. And you might wonder why this is negative. It's because it's a percent decrease. So this formula applies not just for percent decrease, but also for percent increase. For more GRE tips and tricks or to sign up for my online course, follow the link on my profile.